Hi guys, it's me Kavina. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video after my first video. As you see, today I'm in my room. This is my room. I'll probably be doing a house tour soon. Even though I didn't move, but you just haven't seen my house. But yeah, today's video, and I have natural lighting. But today's video is, I'm going to be testing out one no glue slime, but it does have some borax, baking soda, I mean not borax, baking soda. So what you'll be needing, I'm only making one this time, so what you'll be needing is a mixing tool, some sugar, a container to put it in, baking soda, water, and it is a water slime, and shower gel. I don't know if this works. I just came up with this idea. I don't know if somebody else has done this before, but I know I'm doing it. I had slime in this already, so that's why you see a piece of clay. And I won't show you how it turned out today because I probably have to leave it for like 3 or 2 days. So in my next video, when I'm doing something else, I'll show you my slime. So first thing you need to do is take your shower gel and your container, and you're going to pour as much shower gel as you want. And I love the color, so I'm going to pour that much for now. I don't know if it will work. Then you're going to take your water and pour like a little bit. Like that much. Then you're going to take your mixing tool and you're going to mix. Then next, I'm going to take sugar. Next, take your sugar, and I'm going to use my lid and pour a little bit out on my lid. And then you're going to take that and sprinkle it in. It's kind of like salt, but it's sugar. You could also use salt, but I'm using sugar, and I'm spilling water everywhere. So then make it thick, so let me put this in there too. So you want it to get this thick form. I'm going to add some more of it. Like, look how thick that's getting. Then you're going to, oh, that was a bubble. Then see how thick that's getting? It's almost like slime. It's like a slime consistency. Then you're gonna put like one more. Oh, my sugar packet fell into it. So that's really thick now. And another bubble just came. So if you want, you could choose to put a little bit of baking soda, not borax. So let me put this in. So yeah, last time I did a video where I did a video where I told you what I'm going to be doing on my channel, but let me tell you a little more. So basically I'm going to do toy openings, slime making, slime testing, and maybe I'll have a different channel where I like teach stuff, like math, and I don't know, I have a lot to do. Ooh, I might have a gaming channel when I learn to set that up with them. So then what you're going to do after that is you're going to cap it up, make sure you have some, wait, no, not cap it up yet. You're going to take some more sugar and you're just going to sprinkle it on the top. You're just going to sprinkle it on the top. And you're not gonna mix it or nothing. I'm just gonna use a whole packet. See, my packet's full done. Then you're just gonna take a little bit more borax like this. Sprinkle it on top too. Don't mix it or anything. Just sprinkle it on top. Like that. Just like that. And if you want, you can get a little more water. Oh my god, that was nothing. Hold on. Okay, a little more water. Not too much. Like, look how much I'm using. There's like nothing in there. Ooh, that job perfect. Like that. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna cap it in, and then you're gonna put it in the freezer. I'm gonna do that at the end of this video, but here is it. Here it is. So yeah, and in my next video, I'll definitely make sure to show you guys how it turned out, if it worked or if it failed. Remember, I just made this up, so I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know if it's gonna work. Yeah. So that's basically my video today. Oh, and on my channel, I might do like some makeup tutorials or something else. I think that's gonna be my next video. Yeah, my next video is gonna be some makeup tutorials. So that's it. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notifications of when I post. Thank you guys so much for watching, and by doing all those things, you can be a part of my notification squad. Bye guys, thanks for watching. I'll let you know how it turned out in my next video. Bye!